Hi students, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to see chapter 13, exercise 13.7. Today's topic is volume of a right circular cone that is equal to 1 by 3 pi r squared h. 1 by 3 pi r squared h, okay. Already we have learned that volume of a cylinder, that is pi r squared h only, okay. So here we have written 1 by 3 pi r squared h, okay students. Why? Students, listen, look at this figure. Here I have drawn a cylinder, okay, and then this is cone, okay. Height of the cone and height of the cylinder both are equal. Radius of the cylinder and radius of the cone both are equal, okay. Here you just consider this is one cone, this is 2, this is 3, okay. So we can say 3 times the volume of a cone makes up the volume of a cylinder. That's why we have written 1 by 3 pi r squared h. Is it clear, students? Good. Then first question, let's move first question. Find the volume of the right circular cone with radius 6 cm, height 7 cm. Okay, volume of cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r squared h. You just put the values in this formula, then you can get 264 centimeter cube. Is it clear, students? Good. Then second subdivision, radius 3.5 cm, height 12 cm. You can do by yourself. Okay, students. Then example 2. Second question, find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel width. In liters, okay. So first subdivision, second question, first subdivision. Radius 7 cm, slant height 25 cm, okay. Radius equal to 7 cm, slant height, okay. Slant height that is equal to 25 centimeter, okay. Find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel width. We have to find the capacity and then last we have to put in liters, okay. Capacity in liters. Is it clear, students? First, for this we have to find the capacity of the cone. Capacity of the cone, capacity or volume of the cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r squared h, okay students. So here radius and slant height, slant height is there, but we don't know that height, okay. This is this is cone, okay. This is height, this is slant height, and this is r. So here we have got only slant height and radius only. We don't know what is height. So radius 7 cm, slant height, that means L, okay. L 25 cm, we don't know what is h. So now we have to find h, okay. Is it clear? So for h, students, listen, already I have taught in the previous videos. Here this is looking like right angle triangle, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Very good. We can, using the Pythagoras theorem, we can write, we can find easily what is h. Is it clear? So using Pythagoras theorem, because this is right angle triangle, using Pythagoras theorem we can write that is L squared, that is equal to h squared plus r squared. H squared plus r squared, okay. So h squared plus r squared, that is equal to L squared. H squared plus r squared, that is equal to L squared. Here we want to know h squared only, h only. We have to find h only. So h squared, that is equal to L squared minus r squared, okay. Then h squared equal to L squared, what is 25 the whole square, 25 the whole square. Then minus, what is r here? 7 square, okay. So that is equal to 625 minus 49, that is equal to 576. Is it clear? So h squared equal to 576, then h, that is equal to root of 576. How do you find it? Students, listen, this is very easy. 576, if you don't know the root number, then you can take L division, okay. This is even number, so simply you can take 2 2s are 4, 17, 8 2s are 16, another 16, 8 2s are 16, then 2 1 4 4. You can directly put 12, or otherwise you can put 2, okay. 7 2, then 2, 36 2, 18 2 9 3 3, okay. Take one number out of these two number, okay. So 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 into 3 that is equal to 24. Okay students, so h that is equal to here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 3 into 3. Okay, take one number out of two numbers. Okay, so sorry students, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 that is equal to 24. So h is equal to 24. H equal to 24. Is it clear students? Good. Then listen students, here r equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, slant height L equal to 25 centimeter and h that is equal to 24 centimeter. Okay, now we have to find capacity. Okay, capacity that is equal to, what is the formula of capacity of the cone? That is 1 by 3 pi r squared h. Okay, so that is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r, that is 7. So 7 into 7, h that is equal to 24. Is it clear students? Then here 1 3s are 3, 8. Okay, so that is 22 into 8 7s are 56. Okay, so that is equal to 1232 centimeter cube. 1232 centimeter cube. But students listen, find the capacity in liters. We have to put in liters. So already I have thought 100,000 centimeter cube that is equal to 1 liter. 1000 centimeter cube that is equal to 1 liter. So here 1232. So we can write it 1.232 liter. Okay, you should divide 1232 by 1000. Is it clear? Because 1000 centimeter cube that is equal to 1 liter. So that is 1.232 liter. Is it clear students? Good. Second subdivision is also there. You can do by yourself. Is it clear? Then third question, students listen. So third question, the height of the cone is 15 centimeter. If its volume is 1570 centimeter cube, find the radius of the base. Use pi equal to 3.14. Okay students, so third question listen. Let the radius be the let the radius of the base of the cone be r centimeter for every sum. If r is not given, you have to take let the radius be r centimeter. Okay students, so third sum, let the radius be r centimeter. Is it clear? Because all measurements are in centimeter. Is it clear? So the height of the cone is 15 centimeter. Height of the cone, that means h that is equal to 15 centimeter. And if its volume that is equal to 1570 centimeter cube. Okay, we are given with this information only. Now we have to find the radius of the base. Radius r that is equal to what? Let the radius be r centimeter. So r that is equal to what? Okay students, here volume we are given with volume that is equal to 1570. So what is the volume? 1 by 3 pi r squared h that is equal to 1570. Put the value students, listen. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7. Here pi, sorry students, here pi that is equal to 3.14. Okay, you can use 3.14. So students listen. Okay, so 1 by 3 into 3.14 into what is r, we don't know, so r squared. Okay, into h that is 15. So 15. 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 15. Okay, that is equal to 1570. Is it clear students? So 3.14 into r squared into 5 that is equal to 1570. Okay, therefore r squared that is equal to 1570 divided by 3.14 into 5. 3.14 into 5. Is it clear? Okay, now 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15, 1 5s are 5, and then 4. Okay, So that is equal to r squared, that is equal to 314 divided by 3.14. How do you divide this fraction? How do you divide it? Students, listen. In the denominator there are decimal number. This is decimal number. In the denominator there is decimal number. So you should multiply by 100 both numerator and denominator. Okay, because there are two decimal places, so we should multiply by 100. Then this is 314. Insert two zeros on right side. Here 31400 and two decimal points. Okay, so you have to put point here before two digits. Okay, so 314, here 314, numerator 31,400. Is it clear? Okay, now 1, this is 100. So r squared, that is equal to 100. R squared, that is equal to 100. Okay, students, then r, that is equal to root of 100. This is already you have learnt. R, that is equal to root 100, that is 10. So r equal to 10 centimeter. R equal to 10 centimeter. So the radius of the base of the cone, that is r, that is equal to 10 centimeter. Is it clear, students? Good. Listen, students. Then fourth question: if the volume of a right circular cone of height 9 centimeter is 48 pi centimeter cube, find the diameter of its base. Okay, this is very easy. All questions, if you don't know the radius, first you have to write, let the radius of the base be r centimeter. Okay, and then students, listen, here in this question, h, that is equal to 9 centimeter. Volume, that is equal to 48 pi centimeter cube. Okay, now we have to find what is radius. Is it clear? So students, listen, volume, what is the formula of 1 by 3 pi r squared h, that is equal to 48 pi. Okay, students, here you should cancel the pi. Okay, then 1 by 3 into r squared, we don't know, h value 9, that is equal to 48. Okay, so r squared, that is equal to 48 into 3 divided by 9. Is it clear, students? Because 3 is in denominator, if it moves to right hand side, it will becomes numerator. Okay, 9 is numerator. If it goes to left hand side, it will becomes denominator. Is it clear? Okay, so 1 3, this is 1 3, this is 16. So r squared, that is equal to 16. Therefore r equal to root 16, r equal to 4 centimeter. Hence, students, listen, if the volume of a right circular cone of height, okay, find the diameter of its base. Here r, that is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, now we have to find the diameter. That means 2 into r, so d, that is equal to 2 into 4, that is 8 centimeter. So answer D, diameter is 8 centimeter. Is it clear, students? Answer D, that is 8 centimeter.